Hello dear students of class 9th. You have already done answers to the questions given in set 1, set 2 and set 3 of the first chapter of your Beehive textbook titled The Fun They Had. पहले वाले वीडियो में मैंने आपको सेट 4 में दिए गए तीनों ही प्रश्नों के जवाब नहीं बताए थे। उनके जवाब मैं आपको आज इस वीडियो के थ्रू दूंगा। In a short while from now, you are going to listen to an audio lecture with answers to all those 3 questions. But before you listen to the audio lecture, please keep your notebook and pen with you so that you may make necessary notes to prepare the answers of your own. It is very important because when examination will draw near, you will not find yourself in a difficult situation to recall the content of the answer. So keep your notebook and pen with you and come with me to the audio part of this video lecture. So let's move. So my dear students, here are the answers to all the 3 questions of 100 and 150 words length given in activity 4. Let's move to question number 1. Here is your question. What are the main features of the mechanical teachers and the school rooms that Margie and Tommy have in the study? The answer to these questions will be written in 3 parts. First, the conceptual information will be given. Thereafter, you will write the features of mechanical teachers, and then the features of school room will be written. Your answer should be this. Margie and Tommy are the students of the year 2157 of 22nd century. Their era is extraordinarily developed in electronic science, one area of people's life in which electronic science has complete domination is education. From school to teachers, to book to teaching, to examination to evaluation of paper, everything is virtual. Margie and Tommy go to a virtual classroom where they have mechanical teachers to teach them. Features of mechanical teachers. Mechanical teachers are in fact educational computer. It is a system dedicated to perform the jobs of a real teacher. It has a big black screen to display the lessons of e-book. It displays lessons according to the class and age group of the students. It performs educational activities in the language called punching code. It has got slots which allow the students to insert their e-book and other work for teaching, reading and evaluation purpose. It can dictate lessons, ask questions and evaluate papers. Features of school room. The school room is inside the house of Margie and Tommy. It is a room next to their bedroom. Inside the classroom there is a mechanical teacher to teach them. The classroom becomes active at a regular hour. This is the complete answer of question 1. Now move to question 2. It is, why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been a fun? Your answer should be like this. Margie hated school because her mechanical teacher took test after test in geography, but she failed to score as per expectation. She was upset at the functionality of her mechanical teacher, which hardly gave her time to punch answer. If the teacher were human, she would be able to explain the reason for her failure, but alas, it was a machine. She could not have done so. Her school lacked human touch and feelings. She thought that the old kind of schools must have been fun because they allowed students to go together, sit together, and study together. The students of those schools read one subject and one topic, and the teaching environment allow them to talk and discuss about the subject among themselves. They could run, play, jump, and ask questions. What was more, there were human teachers to teach who could adjust themselves according to the level of the class and instantly understand the need of the students. This is the complete answer of question 2. Now move to question 3. Do you agree with Margie that schools today are more fun than the school in the story? Give reasons for your answer. Your answer should be like this. Yes, we agree. If we think over the kind of school Margie attends and the manner she is taught, it should not be hard for us to think that the school we go today are more fun than the school in the story. Let's talk about Margie's school first. Her school is inside her house. There is no playground, no classmates, no crying, jumping, laughing, and other refreshing activities. Teaching activities are performed by a machine with no feelings for the human emotions, just a dry and feelingless environment of study. But the schools we go today are far, far away from the dry and colorless atmosphere of learning. Our school offers a platform to assemble, to talk, to share, to sit and study together. We can play, run, jump, laugh, and cry. And what is more, we have human teachers to talk and share our feelings with. So this completes the answers to question 3. I hope you have been benefited by this video. Please like and do comment to make me know about your ideas and opinion. See you in the next video. Till then.